Yo, got y'all with a KanKan one. I feel like this one was honestly easy. Like I made this in like 5 minutes. And you're like, yeah, it was kind of easy. But let me show y'all. That was low key, like, yeah. Alright, let me give you the presets real quick. Alright, add this on 90. Look, right here. That's why if I was using it, if you're gonna use the preset, you should have it on 90. Cause you're most likely gonna use like what a rage beat, right? Like, or like, like a chill beat, like a beat, like a chiller beat, like yeah. And out, I feel like I did good. Oh wait, let me show the preset. Hold on. There you go. You see how they switched to like? Hey, look at this. They're like, you see this shit? Shit weird now. I'm just gonna real quick re-show it. There you go. Alright. Let me show this now. Alright. Make it to where y'all can hear me. Alright. Yep. Make sure when you use ad-libs, cut it down, cause it's kind of loud. Cause look, if you cut it off, and make sure you probably might need to cut the vocal up too, though. But look how it is all the way up. AK gonna go fast, like give me that clip, that little bit better shift. G19, that bit gonna swish. None of y'all niggas are shit. Yeah, keep like that, that's fire. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, peace.